Hello everyone, happy weekend. I hope you're good and I hope you had a great week. So we just ended the first week of the month and give thanks to the Lord for his blessings for seeing us through the week, and we'll commit the next week into his hands. So without further ado, let's get right into the video and see what price did in the first week of the month. So as you can see, these are the news events for the week. Monday there was no news. Tuesday we had news on USD and pound. Wednesday we had news on USD, and Thursday was NFP day because we had 4th of July USD bank holiday. So for the second week of the month, there's no news on Monday. There's really no important news for the week, except we have Wednesday USD news, Thursday and Friday as well for pound. But for Monday, Tuesday, there's no news. So let's head down into the charts and see what NFP did on gold, pound, Bitcoin, Euro. So this is the daily time frame for the dollar. Each candle in this time frame represents a day worth of trading. So we had the week starting from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and this is Friday. So we have Monday and Tuesday trading into a fair value gap from the monthly time frame. Then we have Wednesday reacting from that fair value gap. Look at the bodies all staying above. Then look at the midpoint. Price hits the midpoint of the fair value gap, and look at the way Tuesday closes. Then we have Wednesday retracing higher. Then we have Thursday retracing higher as well. Then Friday closed the week. So this is the previous week low for the previous week before this week of trading. Before Monday's candle, this was the previous week low. So we have Monday around the previous week low, then Tuesday dips into the monthly fair value gap. Then we'll have Wednesday retracing and Thursday retracing higher. Then Friday close the week. So now what am I expecting for the new week? If dollar is about to have a deeper retracement, I want to see this fair value gap being used either for resistance or support to go higher. Then this fair value gap here as well. So let's get down to the 1 hour time frame and see how the day is expanded for the dollar for the first week of the month. So take this off. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, this is Thursday, this is Friday. Bank holiday on Friday, right? So we have Monday taking out previous week lows. Look at Monday trading higher into this 1 hour fair value gap. Then we trade lower. Tuesday opens up, trade lower. Take this off. Tuesday opens up and trade lower into the fair value gap from the monthly time frame. Then we'll have Wednesday trading higher, then Thursday trading higher as well. So Tuesday's highs was taken by Wednesday, and Wednesday's highs was taken by Thursday. And look at what NFP did. This is NFP. So this candle is NFP candle. Taking out what? Wednesday's high. Then we'll have Friday just consolidate and close the week. So this is what the dollar did for the first week of the month. Let's head down to gold. Sorry, GU, and see what GU did. So this is pound USD. So whatever the dollar is doing will be an inverse move for, will be reverse for the pound USD. So the dollar was trading higher on Wednesday, and you see the pound trading lower on Wednesday as well, trading lower on Wednesday. The pound was bullish on Wednesday, but the dollar, the dollar was bullish on Wednesday, but the pound was bearish on Wednesday. So if the dollar is going up, you want to see the pound going down. If the dollar is going down, you want to see pound going up, which is what we have here. So as you can see, the dollar was indeed trying to be bullish on Wednesday, Thursday as well. Then Friday closes the week. And we have pound. This is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, Thursday, this is Friday. So we have pound taking out the previous week high on Tuesday, then Wednesday trades lower into this daily fair value gap. We'll have Thursday an inside day, then we'll have Friday trading to this, take this off, this fair value gap right here, created by Tuesday's low and Wednesday's, and Thursday's high. So we see Friday trading up into it and closing the week, this fair value gap right here. So for the new week, I want to see what price will do with this particular fair value gap. If I'm going to go higher, I want to see this fair value gap being violated. This is what as well support to go higher. But for us to go lower, I want to see this fair value gap hold, then this one would fail. This fair value gap as well. This one will be traded back into. If the dollar wants to continue its retracement higher, I want to see pound go lower. So let's head down to the hourly time frame and see what the pound did in individual days of the week. So this is pound USD. So this is Monday, this is Tuesday, this is Wednesday, the huge drop on pound for aiming for that fair value gap on the daily time frame. You have Thursday consolidating. Look at NFP. Look what NFP did. Boom. And Friday closes the week after hitting the daily fair value gap. This one, make it, yeah. So this is what pound did for the new week, taking out previous week high on Tuesday, then Wednesday trading lower into the daily fair value gap, finding support at the upper half. Look at the bodies of the candle. So we consolidate throughout the remaining days, NFP day and Friday, bank holiday day. So that's about that for the pound. Let's head down to euro and see what euro did. So this is euro. Let's head down to the daily time frame and see. So this is euro USD. You see how the pound was really weak on Wednesday. Look at the euro on Wednesday. This is euro on Wednesday. See how small the candle range is on euro on Wednesday. Then Thursday and then on pound we have Wednesday trading lower, way lower into its daily fair value gap, but euro refused to trade lower into its daily fair value gap, meaning euro was stronger than pound for the week, while pound was weaker than euro for the week. So this is Monday trading into a fair value gap from the weekly time frame, trading higher, closing above its midpoint. Then we'll have Tuesday trading higher. Wednesday trades inside the fair value gap again. Thursday finding resistance at the upper half, trading lower. Half Friday closing the week. Wasn't much action for the euro. So for the new week, I want to see this weekly fair value gap being used as support to go higher, or we use it as resistance to go lower, then into this daily fair value gap right here. Well, we'll see. Let's go down to the hourly time frame and see what the euro did for the week. So this is euro. You can see how price hits the fair value gap from the weekly time frame and just trades up down inside the fair value gap, right? Let me take this off. So this is Monday on Euro. Monday takes out previous week highs and trading to the weekly fair value gap. Then Tuesday tries to go higher, comes down, go higher again. Then Wednesday down, higher. Then Thursday NFP day. Look at NFP. Boom, trade lower. Takes out Wednesday's low. Then we'll have Friday consolidate inside that weekly fair value gap. So I want to see what price will do with this fair value gap on in the new week. So I'll be watching this fair value gap and see what price will do with it. If I'm going to go higher, we use it as well support to go higher, or go lower, we use it as well to resistance to go lower. So that's about that for Euro. Euro wasn't really all that much for the week. So let's head down to gold. So this is gold. Tricky one, right? So before the week opened on gold, my eyes was at this low. Remember, we talked about our previous weekly recap. This low. So look at what Monday did. There's a fair value gap right here. This candle's low and this candle's high. So Monday found support at that fair value gap, taking out the previous week low. Then Tuesday trades higher, attack these highs, and trades back into this old daily fair value gap. On Thursday, trading lower. NFP was bullish on the dollar, so we had Thursday trading bearish for gold inside this new fair value gap from the Monday high and Wednesday's low. We have Thursday finds resistance at this old daily fair value gap and finding support at this new one formed from Monday and Wednesday. So we have Friday, small range day, bank holiday. So this is what gold did for the week. So if we are to go higher or lower on gold, these lows are still my target for the week. So I want to see this fair value gap fail. I want to see this fair value gap fail for confirmations to go lower on gold. But if it doesn't fail, then this one fails instead. Okay, then I might switch my buyer's hand, aim for these highs as well. These highs over here. So if I were to go lower on gold, I want to see this fair value gap fail, then we use it as well resistance to go lower, or we use it with this fair value gap hold. We use this one here to go higher and take out these highs. So we'll see on the new week on gold. Let's head down to the hourly time frame and see how gold expanded for the week. So this is gold on the hourly time frame. So this Monday kicks off from the fair value gap from the daily time frame, finding support right here. Tuesday expands into let me make this fair value gap visible on the hourly time frame so you can see this clearly. So this daily fair value gap and a 4-hour fair value gap are overlapping, so making that area strong for resistance for price to go lower. As you can see, Monday starts the rally from the fair value gap from the daily time frame. Tuesday tries to go higher, hits the daily fair value gap, old daily fair value gap. Then we'll see a continuation on Wednesday, hitting the 4-hour fair value gap again, coupled with the daily old fair value gap. Then NFP day, look at NFP candle, boom, trades into that daily fair value gap, fills in the fair value gap. Look at the bodies of the candle, all staying above, right? Then we'll have Friday consolidating. So for the new week, I want to see this fair value gap being used as resistance to go lower. That is, I want to see this fair value gap fail. But if it doesn't fail, then maybe this one will hold price to go lower. But we'll see what happens in the new week. So that's about that for gold. Let's see what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin really wasn't really a whole lot. So after Bitcoin has found support at this weekly fair value gap and creates another fair value gap again, then we have Monday, then we have Tuesday dips into the fair value gap, Wednesday reacts from it, hits that old all-time high price, that is this line, this vertical line. Then we'll see Thursday try to go higher. So I was watching for June highs, if June highs will be taken out, but Tuesday fell short of June highs. Then we'll have Friday trading lower into this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap right here. This candle's high and this candle's low. So for the new week, I want to see if this fair value gap will hold Bitcoin to go higher, maybe take out all-time highs, that's May highs, the new all-time highs, or we go lower and use this fair value gap as support to go higher, or we'll destroy this fair value gap and go lower. So whatever Bitcoin we want to do, we'll have an idea for the new week. So this Bitcoin, for the week, this Monday trading lower into that daily fair value gap. Tuesday found support, then we'll start trading higher. Wednesday continuation trading higher into that old all-time high price. Then we'll see Thursday takes out Wednesday's high but fall short of that June highs. I was showing you on what's on the daily time frame. Take this June highs. So Thursday fell short of June highs, and we see Friday just trades lower into this old 1 hour fair value gap. So that's about that on Bitcoin. I want to see that daily fair value gap was showing you guys. I didn't outline yet, so let me just do this. You can see the way the candle closes in this fair value gap aggressively, right? In a really bullish environment, you want to see the upper half of the fair value gap just being used instead of this huge down close day Friday. So we'll see what Bitcoin will do with this fair value gap. So go higher, we'll see, or go lower. So that's that for the week. Thank you for your time. If you're able to stay to the end, so like, subscribe, and share. Have a great weekend and a new week as well. Cheers.